Well, the last scene you saw me doing some finish sanding between coats of lacquer. And here I have these three guitars I've been working on, I think, since last August. Um, Finally, in a coat of lacquer. This is actually the third coat today. And this one is the white ash body. This one has the spruce top with the aluminum bridge patch. I think I might call that one Reynolds when I get it done. This one is the curly maple one with that nice ancient hemlock top in it. And over here, the butternut with a white pine top. I can't touch those. I'd rotate them, but I can't do that right now. And then sailing over here, if you will, we have the necks. Um, this is a Douglas fir neck. This is going to go on the butternut guitar. And the white ash, that's of course going to go on the white ash guitar. This is a nice neck. I particularly like that headpiece. That's Bocote, by the way. And for the butternut guitar, of course, the butternut neck. And we're looking good. These are all done in satin lacquer. I'm using Mohawk lacquer exclusively. And unless a client or myself has a very special need, I've officially said goodbye to high gloss finishes. They're very time consuming to put on and they're beautiful, but even if you don't play the guitar a year after you've done it, the guitar doesn't look the same. And if you play it and you play it regularly, it sure as hell isn't going to look the same even in about 3 weeks. So something you want to think about. And you can, if you do a nice job of cleaning your satin finish up and brightening it ever so slightly, you can really bring that grain out. So it's kind of nice. All right, there we are. We ought to have these done in another, I don't know, 15, 20 years. Thanks for watching.